welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. So today's video, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be doing a Valentine's Day theme and coloring tutorial. Valentine's Day colorings and themes are getting pretty popular. Why not, do it? So the Valentine's Day theme and coloring I have is this coloring and this theme, and I made both of these myself, so please give theme or coloring credits if you use either of them. So let's get started. First, we're going to find our video. I have my video. I'm just going to mute the volume. And after you have found your video, what we're going to do is we're going to start with the coloring. So we're going to go on to 24 FPS and click the plus button, add your video. And then we're going to use the QR code Strawberry Lemon at 100. It's going to look like this. The face is going to end up looking like an alien. So if you want these QR codes, you can search them up on TikTok because I don't have them. I forgot where the QR codes went. So yeah. And then you're going to add your video again and use this one. Oh, it looks so pink. We're going to turn this down to 50. Is this like vampire blush? I forgot what it's called. But your person should end up looking like this. Yes, it's quite alien looking. You're probably wondering how that's Valentine's Day. Next, we're going to go on to prequel, but what I've done is I have coloring thing. So for my pink coloring, I click the link, and literally what happens is it brings me here where I get to use the preset. So I will leave this link because I do not remember the settings for my coloring, but it's supposed to look like this at the end. Then I add the iris blur. You don't have to. And then you save it. Then we're going to go on to Ultralight, and I will put the settings up on the side, but it's going to end up looking like this. And yes, it's supposed to look like this at the end. It's pink, because, it's pink. And by the way, if you want to get out of this, you have to click this little arrow over here beside where it says or continue and save with limited and ad supported version of Ultralight. So you don't actually have to pay. You just click that and it gives you and it lets you save the video for free. After you have done this, what you're going to do is you're going to go into CapCut and add sharpen to 100. And I realized I've been doing like a lot of coloring tutorials, so this time I decided to add a theme. It's because I was on vacation and I scheduled all my videos, so I didn't get to see your comments and requests, so I apologize for that. But yeah, so here's how it should look at the end, and that is it for the coloring. Now we're going to move on to the theme. So we're going to start off with the header, and to do the header, what we're going to do is we are going to add text, and you are going to write your header. So the font we're going to use is called Orange Milk for the first part of the header. Sorry, I don't know what happened. And then I'm going to do a gradient from white to pink, and I'm going to make it go vertical and add shadow to the background. Then you can put this right here. Then you're going to write the same thing and add a bracket on the right side and use the font. And you're going to put it right where it says, right on the bottom right corner of Theme Tester. Then you are going to use the font Love Story, if I can find it, and you're going to write one word that describes your video. So does that make sense? I'm going to write theme, and then I'm going to make the shadow white instead of black. Then I'm going to curve it and tilt it to the side and just put it right like that. Then what we're going to do is we're going to use the font All Things Cat. And no, that's not it. And we're going to use one of the symbols. So I used this one with heart eyes because I'm trying to make it a little Valentine's-y. And I'm gonna curve it. No, not curve it. We're not curving. We're gonna tilt it to -20 and put it right above theme tester. Then we're going to add another one, and I'm just gonna pick this randomly and just add 3 on the top right hand, and then add 3 on the bottom left hand. I hope I'm saying that correctly. Top right and bottom left. Yes. And you're going to add different ones for the bottom, and this one we're going to tilt it -20, not negative. And you're going to add 2 more because that's what we did on the top. And that is it for that part. Then what we're going to do is we are going to use the font Walkway Bonus and add the letter Q, and put it right underneath theme tester, but we're going to make the shadow bright and white, so it's like glowing, but you don't want to see it that much. Then you are going to use the font Green Lemonade. I think it's called Green Lemonade. And you are going to write XOXO and put it right beside the All Things Cat. And you are also going to write love. And I'm going to make this little love sign, love thing, whatever it is, and put it right there. And lastly, I'm just going to erase the love and use the font Gentle Remind to make this heart, but I'm going to tilt it to -90 so it looks like this. Then what we're going to do is we're going to use the font, hold up, I forgot what it's called. I'll put it up on the screen because I forgot what it's called, actually. It's not easy remembering all these fonts. And I'm going to write QOTD, which stands for Question of the Day. So I'm going to put this right here, and I'm going to make it white and add a stroke of the pink colors. And for this, for the pink, you can use any pink. It doesn't have to be a specific pink, since the whole, any pink works with Valentine's Day. And then you're going to take this little bracket and add it on the left side to put it beside where it says Question of the Day. Then we are going to use the font Happy Solid, and you're going to write your question. So, no, not Happy Solid, just Happy, KG Happy. And I'm just going to write theme. No, it is Happy Solid. Sorry, I'm very confusing right now. And what we're going to do is wherever we see the letter O, for example, it's here, you're going to delete it, click on symbol, and add the flower to replace the letter O, because a flower looks like the letter O. And then you're going to make this one pink, just like this, and then duplicate it and make it white, and add the white one right like this so it looks like a drop shadow. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take the All Things Cat font and duplicate it, and then go on to garlic salt and add these white circles and make the shadow white but very prominent. Make the size smaller and put it in a diagonal line going down like this. Then we're going to use the Hello Brownie font to add a little heart with this arrow going through it, and make the shadow black again, and make the color pink, and make the stroke also the same shade of pink. I'm going to put the shadow down a bit, it's too shadowy. And last but not least, what we're going to do is we are going to write our watermark. So we're going to write XOXO, comma, and then I'm going to write my watermark. So the font for this will be on the screen, baby doll. And we're going to make a pattern with this letter. So we're going to start with white, go on to different shades of pink. I'm just going to center it. Then you can go ahead and save this video and save it as a project first, and then save this video. Then we're going to go on to CapCut and add sharpen over this for the last time. So, yes, we had sharpen twice during this. I'm sorry my voice sounds weird. My throat is not, like, well. And it should look something like this at the end. So I forgot to add fade in the beginning, but this is how you do my new Valentine's Day theme and coloring. And if you use, I hope you will give theme credits and coloring credits. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next week. Bye!